In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed video in Notion. Welcome back. Today, we're going to learn how to embed videos directly into your Notion pages. Whether you're building a resource hub, organizing a personal knowledge base, or just keeping all your favorite videos in one convenient place. Embedding videos makes your pages more interactive, visually appealing, and easier to navigate. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add any video to your Notion workspace quickly and efficiently. To get started, open Notion and navigate to the workspace where you want the video to appear. Then, open the specific page where you'd like to embed your video. This could be a project tracker, a learning dashboard, or any other page you're currently using. Placement is important because it affects how your content flows visually, so click on the spot where you want the video block to appear. Next, type a /. This opens Notion's command menu, which gives you access to a wide range of content blocks, including embeds. In the search bar, type Embed, and you'll see the Embed option appear. Click on it. This creates a dedicated block capable of displaying content from external sources, including popular video platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom. Once the Embed block is created, you'll see a field where you can paste your video link. Head over to the platform where your video is hosted and copy the URL. Then, return to Notion and paste the link into the Embed field. After pasting, click Embed Link, or simply press Enter. Notion will process the link and display your video directly on the page. After your video appears, you may want to adjust its size to better fit your layout. Click on the video block and you'll notice handles appear around it. Drag these handles to resize the player to your preference. You can make the video larger to emphasize it or smaller if you're embedding several videos together in a grid or layout format. This flexibility helps you maintain a clean and organized page design while keeping all content accessible. And that's it. Your video is now embedded and ready to play right within your Notion page. You can watch it, reference it, or share it without ever leaving your workspace, which helps keep your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. This simple feature can greatly enhance your pages, whether for personal use or collaborative projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.